7 Sanskrit. Today we are going to see chapter number 6 Sankhya. Sankhya means numbers. Dear students, already you have seen in standard 6 you have learned number name from 1 to 12. In this year 7th standard you are going to learn number names from 13 to 50. Now let me see the lesson. Here the lesson is in dialogue form and conversation took place between Ramesh and Nilesh. Now further, they have shown us a scoreboard, Dhawan Falakam. So the scoreboard. So picture is also given of a cricket. Study the above table. So they have given one table and they are telling us that study the above table. Read the following dialogues and complete the table given below it. So you have to see the table and after seeing the table, read the dialogue and complete the table given below. So below also they have given one table, we have to fill up that table, right? Rameshah, Bho Nilesh, Kim Karoti? Ramesh is one character and he is talking to Nilesh. He says that Bho Nileshah, Kim Karoti? Kim means what and Karoti means doing, right? So, O Nilesh, what are you doing? O Nilesh, what are you doing? Nileshah, Cricket Dalasya, Dhawan Falakam Pashyami. Then Nilesh replies that Cricket Dalasya. Cricket means one of the play, one of the game, and Dalasya means team. So cricket Dalasya means of the cricket team. Dhavanang Falakam means scoreboard and Pashyami means I am watching. Ramesh. Bhavikashya Pratham Kridaya Kati Dhavanka. Bhavikashya means of Bhavi. Pratham Kridaya of first match. Kati Dhavanka. Kati Dhavanka means how many runs. Now let me see the word meaning. Dhavanam Falakam. Dhavanam Falakam means scoreboard. Dhavanam Falakam means scoreboard. Bo, the word bo means O. Here it is as a O. Nilesh, Kim Karoti means what and Karoti is doing. What are you doing? So Nilesh, Ramesh says to the Nilesh that oh Nilesh, what are you doing? What are you doing? Nilesh says cricket Dalasya. Cricket Dalasya of cricket team. Dhavananka. Dhavananka means already we have seen. Dhavananka Falakam means scoreboard. Pashyami. It means that sees, but here we will take as watching. I am watching. Then Bhavikashya of Bhavik Pratham Kridayam. Pratham means first and Kridayam. Krida means here we will take it as a match. So first match. Kati, how many? the first match. So Nilesh says ek chatva rinshata. Ek chatva rinshata means 41. Ramesh Dritiya Kridayam. Dritiya Kridayam means in the second match. Nilesh Chatur Trinshata 34. Chatur Trinshata means 34. Ramesh Tritiya Kridayam in the third match. Nilesh Ashtavinshati. Ashtavinshati 28. Ramesh Chaturtha Kridayam in the fourth match. Nilesh says Panchashata. Panchashata means 50. Ramesh Pancham Kridayam, and in the fifth match Nilesh says Navatrinshata 39. Now here when Nilesh is watching the scoreboard, Ramesh is asking one by one of all the match score of Bhavik. So he is asking about Bhavik's score for the 5 matches and different score he has got. Here let me see. Ek chatva rinshata means 41. Then Dritiya Kridayam. Dritiya Kridayam means in the second match. And answer is Chatur Trinshata. Chatur means 4 and Trinshat means 30, so 34. Next, Tritiya Kridayam in the third match. So, in the third match, so answer is Ashtavinshati. See, Ashta means 8 and Vinshati means 20, so 28. Next, Chaturtha Kridayam. Chaturtha means in the fourth match. So answer is Panchashat means 50. Next, Pancham Kridayam. Means in the fifth match. So the answer is Navatrinshad. So Navatrinshad means 39. Nav means 9 and Trinshat means 30, so 39. Now let me see. Ramesh Aho Nilesh Niravashya ka sthiti. Ramesh, now further he asks that Aho Nilesh, O Nilesh, Niravashya. Niravashya means of Nirav. Ka sthiti. Ka means what and sthiti means position. So hello Nilesh, what is the position of Nirav? What is the position of Nirav? Ka means what? And sthiti. नीरव नीलेशः प्रथम क्रीडायां 33 धावनं प्राप्तं करोति. सः means he. प्रथम क्रीडायां means in the first match. त्रयत्रिंशत् त्रय means 3 and त्रिंशत् means 30. So 33 धावांक means runs, प्राप्तं means got, karoti. So he gets 33 runs in the first match. Now sah means he. त्रयत्रिंशत् means 33. त्रयत्रिंशत् 33. प्राप्तं means get. So he gets 33 runs in the first match. He gets 33 runs in the first match. Ramesh. द्वितीय क्रीडायां in the second match. Nilesh. एकविंशति धावांक. एकविंशति means 1 and विंशति means 20. So 21. एकविंशति. So he got 21 runs in the second match. तर्हि तस्य तृतीयक्रीडायां का स्थितिः? तर्हि means then. तस्य means of his. तृतीयक्रीडायां. तृतीय means third and क्रीडा means match. का स्थितिः? का means what and स्थिति means position. We have already seen का means what and स्थिति means position. So what is the position in the third match? What is the position in the third match? नीलेशः चत्वारिंशत् means 40. रमेश उत्तम means great or very good. चतुर्थ क्रीडायां means in the fourth match. So षट्त्रिंशत् means 6 and त्रिंशत् means 30. So 36. Let me see. चत्वारिंशत् means 40. चत्वारिंशत् means 40. Then उत्तमं means great or we can say very good. For the षट्त्रिंशत् means षट्त्रिंशत् 36. Now अंतिम क्रीडायां रमेश says that अंतिम क्रीडायां नीरवः कति धावनाङ्कं प्राप्तं करोति. अंतिम क्रीडायां means in the last match. नीरवः means नीरव. कति means how many. धावांक means runs. प्राप्तं करोति he got or get. So how many runs does Nirav get in the last match? How many runs does Nirav get in the last match? Nilesh. सम्यक् अस्ति. Very good. द्विचत्वारिंशत् means 42. अंतिम क्रीडायां अंतिम means last and क्रीडा means game. So in the last match, then अंतिम क्रीडायां कति means how many we have already seen, right? Kati means how many and dhavank means run, praptam means what, samyak means well, or here we can use as very good also. Then he says that he got how many runs in the last match? So 3 means 2 and chatvarincha means 40. So 42. दशत्रिंशत् धावाङ्क. पश्य means see. सालिनस्य means of Salin. प्रथम क्रीडायाम in the first match शत त्रिंशत्. शत means 6 and त्रिंशत् means 30. So 36. C. Salin has 36 runs in the second match. First match. Nilesh. Yes. द्वितीय क्रीडायां तस्य सप्तत्रिंशत्. Yes. द्वितीय क्रीडायां in the second match तस्य he is सप्तत्रिंशत्. सप्त means 7 and त्रिंशत् means 30. So in the second match he has 37 runs in the second match. रमेश. तृतीय क्रीडायां अधिकं नास्ति. तृतीय क्रीडायां in the third match अधिकं means no more. नास्ति means is not there. केवलं षोडशं. केवलं means only and षोडशं means 16. नीलेशः. सत्यं. चतुर्थ क्रीडायाम् अपि षड्विंशतिः. सत्यं means truth or correct. चतुर्थ क्रीडायां in the fourth match अपि means also षड्विंशतिः. षड् means 6 and विंशतिः means 20. So 26. रमेशः. तर्हि पंचम क्रीडायां सः अधिकं 48 धावाङ्कान् कं प्राप्नोति. तर्हि means here we will take it as a back, but पंचम क्रीडायां in the fifth match सः he अधिकं gets we can say more 48 कं प्राप्नोति means he got. Let me see the word meaning now. पश्य. means see for the षड्त्रिंशत्. षड्त्रिंशत् means 36. Next, means yes. सप्तत्रिंशत्. सप्तत्रिंशत् 37. Yes, 37 runs in the second match. Next, तृतीय क्रीडायाम् अधिकं means more. नास्ति. न plus अस्ति. Not there. Then केवलं only. षोडशं means 16. सत्यं correct. Then he says that api means also. षड्विंशतिः. 26. Then अधिकं we have already seen more. अष्टचत्वारिंशत्. अष्ट means 8 and चत्वारिंशत् means 40. So 48. So here our lesson number 6 Sankhya is over, in which we have seen number names in Sanskrit. You are already knowing the numbers name in English, Gujarati, Hindi, but these are the number name in Sanskrit. In day-to-day routine also we are speaking the numbers. So if you learn this, then it will be beneficial for you. So these are the number names from 1 to 50. You may copy down all the words in your notebook.